Welcome to a new mini-series, all recorded and created by me, Mr. Bucketlist, where I show you all rides, shows, and attractions, and sometimes even parks that may not be around anymore. Let's see what I have in my vault. Check it out.
Dark on this one? Yeah, at the top.
Yeah, so you start out and
Really?
that's what this is. Now we're walking to a volcano blast roller coaster. Your hands in the way. Alright, so this thing's about to shoot up, y'all. Me again, Cole over there. Let's watch it. Here we go. I'm kind of slow, y'all.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.